At 81 cents, a staggering 20.88% collapse in a single trading session, Tilray Brands has effectively sounded a red alert for every retail investor still holding on to the dream of a cannabis windfall. We are looking at a stock that opened the day fighting for the $1 line and closed deep in the penny stock trenches, shedding 22 cents of value to finish at 81 cents flat. While the after-hour session offered a microscopic bounce of roughly 0.5% to 82 cents, that tiny green flicker does almost nothing to undo the massive technical and psychological damage inflicted during the regular session. This isn't just a red day, this is a capitulation event. The expectation for Tilray has always been that it is the king of the North, the Canadian giant that would inevitably dominate the global market once the United States federal government finally legalized marijuana. Investors expected that if they just held on long enough, if they just endured the volatility, they would be rewarded with a global CPG empire. That was the expectation. The reality? The reality is that Tilray is currently engineering a financial survival maneuver that the market absolutely detests, a reverse stock split. The massive sell-off we just witnessed wasn't panic. It was a repricing of risk ahead of a confirmed 1-for-10 consolidation. The company isn't soaring on legalization news, it is shrinking its share count to avoid being delisted from the Nasdaq. This is the harsh truth that separates the casual pot stock enthusiast from the hardened market analyst. When a company announces it is turning 10 of your shares into 1 just to keep the price above $1, it is an admission that organic growth has failed to do the job. You are not looking at a growth story today, you are looking at a compliance story. The market is pricing in the fear that after the split happens, the short sellers will reload and drive the price down again, destroying shareholder value even faster. This fear, the fear of the post-split death spiral, is what drove the stock down 20% in a single session.